Wow! These big mango trees grow sweet, juicy fruits under the warm sun, getting ready to turn into your favorite yummy drink. Farmers take care of the trees every day. They give water and love so the mangoes grow big, juicy, and super delicious.
Look closely. This tiny mango slowly grows bigger and turns bright yellow. Now it's juicy and ready to be picked. Wow! It's ready!
It's harvest time. Ripe mangoes are carefully picked from the trees so they stay fresh, juicy, and perfect for making yummy drinks.
Now the mangoes are checked and sorted. Only the best, sweetest mangoes are chosen to make your delicious drink. All the fresh mangoes are loaded into big trucks. Now they begin their exciting journey to the factory to become tasty drinks for you to drink.
The truck is full of fresh mangoes and starts its long journey. It drives on big roads, crossing trees and hills, heading straight to the factory. The truck reaches a big, clean factory. This is where mangoes are turned into yummy drinks using special machines and careful steps. First, the mangoes get a big, bubbly bath. They are washed in clean water to remove dirt and make them fresh, shiny, and ready for juice making.
Now the mangoes go into special machines. Their skin is gently removed and they are cut into pieces, getting ready to turn into tasty juice.
The mango pieces are crushed in big machines. A factory worker carefully controls everything as thick, juicy mango pulp flows out smooth and ready. Now the mango pulp is mixed with water and other ingredients. A factory worker controls the machines as everything blends into a smooth, tasty drink. Look, these bright sheets already have mango pictures on them. The machine folds and shapes them into small juice boxes, just like the ones you drink. Now the yummy mango drink fills these bright juice boxes. Each one is filled perfectly, so every pack has the same sweet and delicious taste. The tops are sealed tightly. Now these bright mango drink boxes are fully packed, keeping the drink fresh, safe, and ready to enjoy. Now a small straw is added to each juice box. It sticks perfectly on the side, so you can easily sip your yummy mango drink anytime. All the juice boxes are packed into big cartons. They are arranged neatly and safely, ready to travel to shops and reach you. The packed juice boxes are loaded into big trucks. Now they travel on roads, going to shops so you can find them easily and enjoy. Now the juice boxes are in stores. You can see them on shelves, bright and ready. Just pick one and enjoy the yummy taste. And now it's time to enjoy. Just open the straw, take a sip. Sweet, tasty mango drink made with care just for you.